For the super prime, yun yung walang mga greenways natin.
I see.
And that's the cheapest. Super prime is 10,000. Then super prime plus is 11,500.
Where's Elvira there? No?
LV, sir, ito, this one.
Ito. And that goes for how much per square?
Right now that's 11,600.
11.6.
Yes.
And then for the other two,
The other two,
the E something and the A90, E33.
E33. Check ko lang siya. Sure tayo. The E33 is one. Ano? This is 13,318.
Okay, that's the A390.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and then the A90 pala yun. Yung isa is A,
Black 6. This one.
yeah.
This one, sir. This is also 11,600, but we have a premium 500 because it's a corner lot.
I see.